Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix battery drain on iPhone for iOS 18.2.1. As you can see right here, I'm currently already waiting to be updated to 18.5, so I am currently on 18.2.1. And I noticed something very disturbing here. It drains a lot of batteries. So if I go here on the battery section, let me just give me a second here. And you can see right there, under the lower section, there's going to be a lot of graphs going on. If you click on show activity, you can see here how much you spend or how much time you spend on each of the applications. And now just take note of them and basically you can check on the last 10 days here. Also right there, that says a lot on Spotify, very so much time. Moving forward for that one, I can just go back here and type in here, background refresh. And as you can see right there, if I choose this one, I can individually disable background app refreshes for everything here, or I can just turn off everything all the way. As you can see right there, it's turned off. It will now lessen anything that's happening behind the background of my phone. And hence, it's gonna be stopping my battery consumption. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.